So now that we have the agent deployed, you can see here we have some Windows devices in here. So we're going to click through, and this takes us to details. And you can see in here, it's kind of neat. So I can see my different cloud PCs. And as you drill into them, you start seeing the kind of data that it's collecting. So I just picked this person here. As you can see here, we get some cool network information. You can see the hardware, kind of cool. You can see Microsoft Hyper-V, the GPU that's running on that cloud PC. You can see how much stuff is going on here. You can even see the device score, which is pretty cool. And so you mouse over this, it shows you kind of average score, CPU queue events. So it gives you some really cool data. So you can see here like CPU spikes, memory usage changes, CPU percentage. So you can see all kinds of really kind of neat different things here. And it's useful beyond that you can also take, say we want to take something like a CPU usage, and you can click this button and it'll go in and it'll let you create an alert. We're not going to do that right now. We just want to count. We'll go back. But so that's your performance tab. And then it gets more interesting as we go along. So you can see here, you can see all kinds of active processes, and you can even actually kill a process that you feel like might be getting a little too crazy. It shows system settings like 19% CPU, whatever. So I could kind of go in, click this, terminate that process. Can you show there? It shows system settings hitting like 20% CPU. We can see all these different applications that are installed. You can see, oh, here's a patch he hasn't taken yet. I mean, Microsoft's lovely auto patch could probably do a little better. We can see all the device events. So you can see here, the kill process command was sent and completed. You can also see any kind of stop processes. So it really kind of gives you a really great kind of playbook to what you're doing. And as we drill in farther, here are different services that are showing us stopped. We can see sessions. You can even see what apps is he using the most. You can see top CPU is from Zoom, which is really cool. And then we get even better, right? So under actions, we go run command. You can actually execute a remote command. You can execute custom actions like clear their team's cache. So we can send that action over. And also really neat is that you have all kinds of things around. Like you can send messages. You can execute a remote shell, which is pretty cool. So you can see like that's remoted in. You can do a nice little remote control as well. As you can see here as this pops open, see you can see his machine. And you can see right within here, I'll bring it down a little bit, you can do all kinds of different stuff. You can look at different displays, you can screenshot, whatever. And even you can even like take some little notes on what might be going on. But this is just to kind of show you just the kind of power that you get with this platform is that you can do a lot of different things. And so it really kind of will elevate your overall experience and what you're doing inside of Intune, because it's now extending stuff deeper and stronger. When we come back, we're going to talk about how you can create custom alerts to take actions.